Should you buy the most popular monitor headphones from Audio-Technica? So this is the M50X. This is the most popular monitor headphones in the planet. Not sponsored by Audio-Technica. So should you buy these headphones? These headphones are not cheap. They cost, I bought it for £105 a couple of months ago. And actually I was blown away about these headphones. They are amazing. They are super. I don't have words to describe. They are amazing. But should you buy them? And my answer is no. You should not buy the Audio-Technica ATH M50Xs. And the reason is, don't buy the headphones yet. Don't buy them straight away, because many creators, what they do, they buy the headphones, they try them for the first time, and they're disappointed because they're for monitoring, for video editing, for mixing, for music production, for obviously they're amazing for normal listening, casual listening, but they have a flat response. I do like the design. The design is amazing. They swivel, and it's just amazing headphones. But sooner you try them, I'm 100% sure you're not gonna like the sound stage of the headphones. And eventually, what you're gonna do, you're gonna sell them because you don't like the sound that is coming from these amazing headphones. And MKBHD, aka Marcus Bromley, he's still using the headphones in even these days right now because they are amazing. So the reason is, don't buy the headphones straight away. Wait a little bit. Have some experience with different monitor headphones, and then buy the Audio-Technica M50Xs. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to ring the bell, subscribe, do your thing, and if you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. I'll see you in the next video.